This is the Iron Trader. The pits just closed here about 10 minutes ago, so we're going to take a look here at crude and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted along with the rig count. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Here we have crude daily chart. Now, if you watched my video this morning, you'll notice how I pointed out this, obviously this 8 SMA that I always harp on, but this 21 SMA. See, this was the first sign here a couple days ago that that's the red flag. See how this rolled over? Now you're below the 100 and you're below the 50-day. And look what happened to this price. Now you got a lower low. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to watch the top of this candle here. This is 69.84. The bottom of this candle here, this is 68.48. And then the bottom of this candle here, that's 67.95. That is your key support levels. Now, if that is lost, then we want to do is we want to look to the bottom of this, 66.82. We want to look to this candle right here. This one here is sitting at 65.65. Then we have 64.36. And then the big retest here is 63.64. See, every time when you have these charts, that's why you trade the charts, there's always have to look for signs where she's going to go up or go down. But when you see this 21-day curling over, and when it breaks through the other SMAs, that's always a negative sign. Okay, so now your 8 SMA here is actually falling right down. Pretty good size here now. So you're sitting at 71.08. So you need to close back above. Otherwise, lower she's going to go. Now, if it can, then you look at today's high, which is 71.78. Then yesterday's 73.50. And then we look to the next candle here. You're looking at 73.89. And then we look to this candle here, 74.53. And then we have to look at that 21 now at 75.05. And then you look at the 50 SMA here, 75.13. And then your 100 SMA. Sitting at 76.44. Now, if it can close above, then we look at 81 here, then 83.12, and then we go back up to the candle right here, which was 83.44. But you look at this 200 days, see how it's on the way down. The 21-day, how it rolled over, taking the price right on down. Never good. So let's take here a look at the weekly and the monthly. All right, weekly chart, okay. Not good. Okay, we had a nice double bottom here. Okay, 64.36. You had a really nice red dog right here, 63.64. Nice. Thought she was going to rally up pretty good. Not so much. Now, what we want to do is we want to look to the downside. But what we want to do is look at this key SMA right here at sitting at 66.96. If that's lost, okay, then we have the retest here all the way down to 63.64. Okay, so on the upside, we want to look to this 8 SMA first. This is the key, 71.08. If we can climb back above there next week, then we have an SMA here of 75.50, and then we have the 76.56. Now, on the downside here on the monthly chart, you always want to look here at the key levels here, okay? So you're looking at 65.99. That's the big boy. That's the 50 SMA. And then I say if it really gets hammered, then we'll lose. We're going to look here at 59.43. But just remember now, again, OPEC is meeting on June 4th. It's the first time in years they're going to have an in-person meeting in Vienna. And they need to get the prices higher. Okay, now the rig count, you drop 2 rigs in oil, but you drop 16 rigs in natural gas. So that actually took natural gas up. So we're going to review that next here. All right, here we have natural gas. Now, we had a pretty good green candle here today. See how right here we sold down for 4 days, rallied up to 3, 1 red, and now we had yesterday was kind of like a indecision candle, and then today we had a nice green candle. Now, I wasn't planning on doing anything as far as scalp-wise today, but I did scalp the boil today, and I actually got 30 cents out of it. So I'm trading 10,000 shares. So, yeah, that was a really good trade here on the old scalp. So now what we want to do on the upside is you want to look here at this key level here, 2.278, okay? that is going to be your resistance level. That's your 50 SMA. Okay. On the downside here, we want to look here at the 21 day, and then we want to look here at the 8 SMA here. Okay, and then your big retest here at 1.946. Now, all the levels are posted at the end of the video here, so all the support and resistance, you'll know what's going on. But what you want to do is the big picture is look at this trading channel, 2.529 on the upside and 1.946 on the downside. Now, they dropped a lot of rigs here today, so that's going to be a factor here with that many rigs. Usually you'll drop one or two, but not that many. But okay, so that should be a positive here. Now, if we have some kind of a hot summer, we need a catalyst for this to rip up. But bottom line, this is really still a nice just basing pattern. I know I'm like a broken record here saying the same thing over and over, but that's really what this is. So until we can get a good break above this channel here, it's just going to be sideways actions. And then so you have to just look at small scalps, like in the market there. All right, now Sunday night, after the futures open there at 6 o'clock, I will have the crude oil posted for you and the natural gas posted for you to get you all set up for Monday. All right, have a good weekend, and we'll see you Sunday night. And thanks for watching.